Here in front of me, I've got the new Christmas edition from Poprace. It's available in two colors. This is the green one, obviously, and there's also a purple one. It's in a 1/64 scale, and it's the Singer Christmas edition Porsche. Here we have the side, here we have the back, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Yes, let's open it up. Nice box package, I like that. And yep, there is also a small suitcase for on top of the Porsche. And also one of the reasons I've ordered this, I always like when it comes with a small accessory. Okay, I love the color, love the rims and the wheels, very good rolling wheels. Windscreen wipers are molded in the glass. We got lanced headlights. This one is a little bit out of... Oh no, it's shining down on the road. Yeah, this is probably the fuel cap. Let's have a better look like this. And some extra light. Very nice side mirrors. Roof rack for the suitcase. Oh no, I think here is the fuel cap. Not sure what this is. Nice ducktail. Brown interior. Let's have a look into the interior. Yeah, we got a nice black steering wheel, some details on the dashboard, no colors, but that's good. Yeah. Nice sport bucket seats. And Poprace also has a metal base. Here are some details for the exhaust. Nice profile on the tires. And you can place the suitcase like this. Last year, I did a review about this one. This was the Christmas edition from Poprace from last year. Christmas Limited. I think it was also one of my first Poprace models. And back then I was like, whoa, this looks really, really good. Yep, also comes with a suitcase. And here we got different rims. Different printing. But it's basically the same except for the ducktail. That is different. I like that. And here we got the same metal base. Same rubber tires, I think. Yep, those are the same. The base is the same. Here we got the front. Here we got the side. And here we got the back. Yeah, two very cool Christmas models. Okay, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and have a very good day. Bye.